We're going to show you how to see the Wi-Fi password on your Android device. This can be really useful if you've forgotten your Wi-Fi password and need to share it with someone or connect a new device. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Unlock your Android device and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification shade. Tap on the gear icon to open the Settings app. In the Settings menu, tap on Network and Internet or Connections depending on your device. Tap on Wi-Fi or Internet to view your Wi-Fi connections. In the Wi-Fi settings, you should see the network you're currently connected to at the top. Tap on the network name to view more details. Tap on Share or the QR code icon. This will generate a QR code with the network information. You will be prompted to authenticate using your device's security method, such as a fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. Once authenticated, a QR code will appear on the screen. Below the QR code, you will see the Wi-Fi password displayed in plain text. If you want to see the password for an old Wi-Fi network, you can find all the networks you have been connected to on the saved networks. Tap on that. Now tap on the network you want to see the password. Tap on Share or the QR code icon. This will generate a QR code with the network information. You will be prompted to authenticate using your device's security method, such as a fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. Once authenticated, a QR code will appear on the screen. Below the QR code, you will see the Wi-Fi password displayed in plain text. And that's it. You now know how to see the Wi-Fi password on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.